Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Edifier TWS NB2 Pro wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth or they're not pairing with your device, or if they keep disconnecting, if you're only getting sound out of the left or the right ear, a hard reset to the factory default settings will fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if for any other reason you just want to delete and clear the pairing history of the earbuds so that you can set them up like you're setting up a new set of earbuds, this will do the trick and it's really easy to do. All we need to do on these is place the earbuds in the case as shown here, and then on this button here we're just going to double click it like on a mouse. We're just going to go tap tap. And when we do that, the white light will flash rapidly, the pairing history will be cleared, and then the earbuds will repair with each other, and then it will automatically enter the regular Bluetooth pairing mode. It'll go white and green light flashing rapidly, which means they're ready to be set up and paired as a new set of earbuds coming out of the box.